My name is Christian with Ace Appliance out of Toledo, Ohio. Welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. So today we're working on a GE top-load washing machine. Customer's complaint is that it's not spinning. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and put it on the spin cycle to see if it actually does spin. It's not spinning. Alright, I'm going to try this one. Okay, we'll just leave it on. So it's not spinning. First thing we want to do is pop the front panel off. There's two mushroom style clips that hold the front panel on. You want to go ahead and locate them. Once located, go ahead and push in, pull out. Right now it's spinning. What I found so far is that a loose wire connection on the motor itself. Probably just from the age and the vibration, it shook loose a little. So what we're going to do is let it spin out the rest of the way to make sure it doesn't leak, and then try to spin once again. Okay, so now we're just going to fill it up with water just to small this load size here.
Spin.
So right now what we're doing is, we already filled up with water on the hand wash cycle. It filled up to water, it looks like it was up here. So now we're just draining it out. What it does though, we have in the spin cycle, it's going to drain out most of the water until there's a little bit in there. So then it'll start revving up in the spin, then it'll stop again to allow the water to set to the bottom, to spin again and do the same thing until it's drained all the way. Once it's drained all the way, it'll continue its high-speed spin. So, what we found on this washer today was there was a loose wire connection for the motor. We just pushed the wire terminal all the way through the Mullix connector to make sure that it would seat properly into the motor. So, now we have the spin speed. It is spinning. That will take care of our problem. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.